Welcome to a new edition of Missing in Action preview videos. This time we'll go back to Sweden and look at a piece of software where the package just looks amazing. First time I ever saw the software was in a Swedish advertising paper from the Swedish Spectrum distributors, Backman Innovation. I could only see a little picture of it, but that was enough for me to want to find it and include it in my collection, simply because it looks so different to everything else released back then. For me, the package looks like something just released for the Spectrum Next. Now take a look and let me know if you agree that this looks nothing like the stuff released back then, neither from the UK or anywhere else. Amazing, isn't it? The program is called Gigabase, and yes, it is a Swedish database program released by a company going by the name Playmates. It was written by Mikael Krantz and A.T. Holm. I've tried to see if I could find any of them on Facebook, but could not really find any match that felt like this could be one of them. Consider that there is a possibility that they were in their 30s or older back in 1984 when this was released, and therefore might not be with us anymore. The only other piece of information I can come up with is that in one of the manuals from the 2 copies I've found, yes, been so lucky to find 2 copies, there is a dedication saying for Lotti och Berit, which might be valuable information. The package contains 2 tapes, one including the main program and one long tape called Register. That Register tape contains the main program with the difference that option 2, Sök och visa, which means search and show, contains a demo of the program, where it in the main program is used to show what you have created so far. The reason the tape is so long, as they write in the manual, is because it's the idea that you use that tape to store your own created databases, either after the demo or even taping over it. I could not load the register tape on any of the 2 copies, but new site administrator of Spectrum Computing Co. UK, Thomas Kolbeck Kjær Heckman, fixed that for me, creating a working TZX file of a WAV file I sent him. Surgery, that is. I've done things a little different this time. Instead of showing a video of me loading and trying out the software for the first time, I decided to reserve it and then just show that demo running under emulation. It's in Swedish, but I still think it will give a good idea about what is possible with the program. After that, there will also be a follow-up about that Italian version of Android 1 from the last edition of this series. The guys at Spectrum Computing Co. UK decided it was alright for it to go online. Read the interesting story of Nuova, Newel, who released this cracked version of Android 1, told by Auditoria on the Spectrum Computing Co. UK forum. As always, if you have any information about Gigabase, Playmates, or the 2 programmers involved, let me know in the comments, please. That's me for this edition, I promise. See you all in the next one. Bye.